the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has now expressed solidarity with the Hindus that are being attacked, killed in Bangladesh as they face atrocities. Listen into what he said.
अभिनंदन करूंगा उन हिंदुओं का जिन्होंने इतना साहस किया है कि पाकिस्तान के अंदर रहकर बांग्लादेश के अंदर रहकर के भी उन नरपिशाचों के सामने उन्होंने अपनी प्रवाह के बगैर अपनी वर्तमान और भावी पीढ़ी को बचाने के लिए सड़कों पर उतर करके दुनिया को उसका वास्तविक चेहरा दिखाया है। और मुझे लगता है हमारी सबकी सहानुभूति उन हिंदुओं के साथ में होनी चाहिए, उन पीड़ितों के साथ होनी चाहिए जो बांग्लादेश के अंदर अमानवीय अत्याचार के शिकार वर्तमान में हो रहे हैं। और मैं आप सबसे यही कहूंगा कि हमें इस मजहबी उन्माद से देश को भी और दुनिया को भी बचाने के लिए आह्वान करना होगा। और मुझे लगता है कि ये मजहबी उन्माद एकता के माध्यम से ही परास्त होगा।
Nikita Surin on the telecast with me. Nikita, a message of solidarity that has been shared by Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. There has been quite the turmoil that has been happening with regards to the attacks on the Hindus in Bangladesh. There has been a message that was also sent out by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the current interim Prime Minister of Bangladesh, urging him to ensure the safety and security of Hindus living in the country.
Well, Megha, today Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath said that he is grateful to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who has called for an opening this curtain on the dark chapter of history and making way for rectification of all this mistake. And what happened in 1947 is happening in Pakistan and Bangladesh today. And at that time, 10 lakh Hindu and Sikhs were killed, and even today we are witnessing the same scene even today. And 1.5 crore Hindus are crying out to save their identity in Bangladesh today, and so-called secularists of the world and India are still silent regarding this because they are worried about their vote bank. Their human sensitivity has died, and they have encouraged a political of divide and rule after independence. These people got power from the Britain, but if we talk about they have got the power from British, but they are not even leading the power of India. And he also said rather they run Akhand Hindustan has paid the ill effects of that. And also Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath said that the mistakes that was captured in front of us as a black chapter of history, the same mistakes are committed by the political parties at the time of elections.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.